What are robotic exoskeletons? When you hear the word exoskeleton, you probably think of something from a sci-fi movie like Iron Man's armor or the robotic suits from the film Elysium. But robotic exoskeletons are a reality, and they're changing people's lives. A robotic exoskeleton is a wearable robotic device. It functions as an external structure that uses motors or actuators to provide force, support, or assistance to the user. Its main purpose is to augment, restore, or improve human physical abilities. So what are they used for in the real world? They're used in three main fields. In rehabilitation and medicine, this is one of their most important uses. Exoskeletons help patients with spinal cord injuries or strokes to stand and walk again. They are also fundamental in industrial assistance, as they help workers in factories and warehouses lift heavy objects or perform repetitive tasks without straining their bodies, which prevents injuries. And in the military, they increase the strength and endurance of soldiers, allowing them to carry heavy loads over difficult terrain. While they seem complex, their basic function is a combination of three parts. First, sensors, which detect the person's intended movement. Second, a control unit that processes that information. And third, actuators, which are the motors that apply the necessary force to assist with movement or to support the load. In short, robotic exoskeletons are a powerful fusion of technology and biology that brings us closer to a future where robotics not only works for us but also helps us become stronger, more capable, and to regain what has been lost.